They say the little bits make up the whole. And those little bits can also make your pockets run dry in this very part of Zanzibar. However, they're not running dry for all the wrong reasons. It's all for the right reasons, because everything in this place is just tantalizing. It just keeps on beckoning you every now and then to just get a bit over here, get a bit over here, get a bit over there, and you end up just using up your whole amount without even realizing it, because of all the goodness that is in this specific place.
Hello again. Oh, hello again.
I'm aching through the growing pains, just ignore them and they'll go away. Something.
Let's see what Forodhani Night Market has in store in Zanzibar. And also to note that I'm here during the Eid period. Sorry, the Eid after Eid al-Fitr. Yeah. So what I've learned is Zanzibar, they do their Eid al-Fitr for 4 days, from the actual Eid al-Fitr day to now 4 days onwards. So, but the same goes the 4th day on a Saturday. That means they'll extend it to Sunday. So there's still a lot of people, and I'm sure the market will be also full. Yeah, so let's see what the market has in store and what we can find, and cross our fingers the food will be good, and also it won't do one thing or another on our tummies. So let's go and to the Forodhani food market. One thing to note is that the market can get very, very crowded at night. The best thing to do is come at 6 when they're just starting out, to avoid the crowds. But also if you come at this time as I did, you'll still enjoy the experience, not to worry.
Hey, welcome to the place.
Thank you.
This is sweet, this is savory.
Okay.
Hii ni bata, hii ni kuku tanduru.
Mnazuza aje?
Hii moja ni 7.
Next, the shawarma section. This is one area where you can end up just standing in each of the stalls, sampling each of the shawarmas. Reason being, it's just 250 Kenyan shillings or 3,000 Tanzanian shillings, slightly less than $3.
Oh, anasema kwa shilingi ya Tanzania.
5,000. Oh. Oh, calamari. Oh, squid. Mnauza aje?
Kuna beef, kuna lipa, mahindi.
Mnauza bei ngapi?
This is Forodhani by day. So I said it was very crowded. The thing is, they have washrooms. I don't know how clean or dirty they are. I didn't enter. So, but they have a children's area. At night it's open. I don't know about in the morning. Just very close to the ocean. This is the floating restaurant. Yeah, over here the Forodhani market. It's called Cape Town Fish Market. I don't know whether it's visible. So it's called Cape Town Fish Market. It's a floating restaurant. So this is still Forodhani by day. This is their menu. Still the ocean. Oh, the floating restaurant is that one, I guess. Yeah, that's the floating restaurant. It looks like the floating restaurant where the Nile began, but this is now in Tanzania, but not where the Nile began. If you want to see where the Nile began, watch the Ugandan videos. I'll link them right below or on top. Hiyo ndio mzuri. I think this is also very nice for them to do the cleanup in the morning. What I don't know yet is whether they clean up the
night market.
Nilikuwa hapa jana. Nilikuwa hapa jana. Ile kitu nashangaa ni jana niliona taka ikiwa imetupwa kwa maji. Sasa ni kuchafua bahari. Lakini at least hii venye wanasafisha asubuhi ni nzuri. Ni kitu kizuri. Hiyo ni kitu kizuri. So apparently there are people who are paid to clean up the night market, which is very, very good considering the crowd that is normally here and the food that is catered. But unfortunately, I've heard that even throwing that in the ocean is not right. That's what I was wondering yesterday. And they've said most likely it's children and you cannot control children. Maybe just teach them while they are young. Yeah, but yeah, that's the ocean blue water of Zanzibar, turquoise blue. Look at that beauty. Oh my. After breakfast, decided to go and see the Forodhani, how it looks by day. And then decided to buy a few things. I don't think I'll go for the Prison Island tour today. Maybe next time. Then for the beaches, I've been told really, because I'm headed to Jambiani after this, there's really no much difference between going to the Nakupenda Island and yet I'm going to Jambiani. And I've been told the north and the south have better beaches. So yeah, so that's it I think for Stone Town. Maybe till next time. So let's get ready to go to Jambiani, to the beaches. Yeah, so Stone Town is like the Nairobi and then Jambiani Nungu is like the Mombasa. That makes it easier. So I've also bought a few things.
and already jewelry set.
Just to see what you have. Also jewelry is what you have.
Okay. First of all, these are loose stones, Tanzanite. So the only thing is you buy them loose, then you decide to do anything you want out of them. Otherwise, come with me. I have some earrings in front of you. The bracelets you can see. Yeah. These are with Tanzanite and some Tanzanite down here. Yeah. These are pendant set in silver. Glass in white gold as well.
Oh, this was in white gold.
This is, yeah, that Tanzanite I was set in white gold. Those are pendants. And we have rings and as well as some few earrings. Yeah. So what you can see.
This is now gold.
Yeah, that's gold. Yeah. We have 18 karat gold here in Tanzania. Mostly
18 karat gold.
18 karat gold.
Yeah. You mine it here in Tanzania?
Sorry?
You mine the gold in Tanzania?
Oh, yes, lots of gold. Yeah, sure.
And for the items I've actually met a Kenyan who was selling the Tanzanites. I had to go and see the Tanzanites. I love Tanzanite jewelry, and as much as it's expensive, so next time I have to get it from here. Yeah, so not today, but I've also supported him by buying this. He's actually a Kenyan from Malindi, Cornelius Lubu. Very nice guy, very good. So when you come visit his shop, it's called Mustafa Gems. Yeah, just immediately after Forodhani, near the other gem, Tanzanite gems. It's one of them. So let's get ready, then go to Jambiani. I've been told to try the daladalas, so crossing my fingers, the experience will be good. So daladala is like their matatus. Yeah, so let's see. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Share in the comment section below what you have enjoyed so far on the Zanzibar series. Till next time, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when the next video drops. Kwaheri!